Hello friends, this is Lakshmi Mankala. In this video I am going to show video editing, very simple app, video editor for beginners who are new to video shooting and editing part for them. So this is the app, video editor. If you go into it, you can install it from the Play Store. So once you go, it will open, but only the problem with this is you have to initially bear the ads because it's a free app, so you have to bear it. Go to editor. Here you can either add video or photos. So video editing, let us take, and you can add. When you tap on that, you will add. See here, please add clips, it is showing. So you can add any clip you want to add. Let us take this. So first click and then second, okay, then go next. So you will be coming to that. First thing what you can do is to trim the video. So tap on the scissors button and now you will find here. So initial coming and standing, all this walking, this part we don't want. So just trim it, bring where you want to start the video from. So let me take from 15, okay, and here back side also, at the end also, if you want, see again standing up, all those we don't want, we can just trim away, okay, and say okay. So this is how we can do the trimming part from scissors icon. Okay, now we'll go to the next one, and next thing is zoom. If you want to make it zoom, we just go through all these options available here. So zoom, when you say zoom, it will ask to pinch zoom. So you can just hold the screen and make it closer or bring it back. So let us do a little closer and then say okay here. Then it is coming closer. Okay. So the next option is music. Music we will go later on. Rotate means it just rotates the screen. Then subtitles. When you want to add subtitles, you just tap here and from where you want to add the titles. So if I want from starting, so click on the plus button, then it will, this kind of box pops up. So you just type whatever you want to type. Like let us take hello friends, okay. So it is coming. You can drag it and take wherever you want to place it. And now here font settings, you can see here, you can just tap and font which color you want. Let me select it as blue, or wait, it is not visible, so let me check. Okay, this color I'll put, and here you can see fonts option. You just select whichever font you want. There are not many options, but still it's good. Okay, let me go for this. Okay, and now you want this title to be all through the length of your video or half or whatever you want. You just drag this from here, you drag till what length of your video you want the title. Okay, so let me check till, you can see the seconds and minutes on the top, so you can drag and make it till 1 minute 10 seconds. I want this video to be displayed. So now say tick mark and say, see, it is coming. Similarly, if you want to add one more title, you can again tap and say plus, then say do subscribe. I will write do subscribe. Okay, let us take it down here. Okay, here I'll put, and I will change the color to red. Okay. And this subscribe button I want all through the length of the video. So let me drag it till the whole length of the video. Okay. Okay, this one. Then say okay. Now when you play, this comes till something like we checked till 1 minute 10 seconds we checked. So see, hello friends, it is coming. And after 1 minute 10 seconds, this hello friends will go, and do subscribe will continue till end of the video. See, it is gone. Okay, so this is how you can add subtitles. Now we'll go for the next one. is PIP, means picture in picture. Now if you want to add some picture here, you just go to the PIP and again add plus. Then it will ask to select any picture you want to get it displayed there. So let me check again some picture from here, or if you want you can go to the gallery from here and type on this and just take any picture. Let me take this one. Okay, just I am showing example. So it is asking, say okay. So picture, this big picture comes, but you can just make it small as much you want it to display. Okay, also you can adjust the location, like here, down, wherever. I am putting here. Again you can drag it how far you want the picture to be visible. Just take it, drag it. Okay, till here I want 2 minutes 15 seconds. Then say okay. Okay, so when you come here, see that picture is coming displayed till some. Okay, so this is one thing. Now what else? Filters. Filters means, like when you are shooting the video, if the quality is very dark and there is no proper light, just you can adjust. See, if you do this, it is showing like this Japan style. And tone curve means it is like becoming brighter, and HDR, so you can just change. Here it's pinkish more, whichever you want you can, or you can say none. None means it becomes as it is. So whatever you want you can just change the background and the brightness or the whatever you want to select. Okay, when you select any of these things you can just again take. So it is telling remove from all. I am not selecting anything, so it is just asking. Now next one is transition. Like we added 2 clips. Okay, so when the one clip is over and the next one starts, there will be some small gap, so there we can add this transition. Okay, so again it is fade. Fade means it just comes like this, fade white, fade black, or dissolve means it comes like this, shutter, so it comes like this, slide, so it just slides off. So all these you can use. So let me put dissolve and say okay. It will ask dissolve, apply to all clips. If you want you can apply to all the clips. So when one clip is over, then it will just change with that kind of transition. Yeah, that dissolve. Okay, again this is speed. Speed means if you want to play this very slowly or fast, you can adjust the speed. And this is reverse, going back. Here sound. Sound means if you don't want what is recorded in the video, if you don't want that and you want to do the voiceover, you can just type on sound, and from here this mic icon, just tap on this and record whatever you want to do the voiceover. Okay, so from here you can do this. And one more what is left is music. So when you want to add some music in the background, easy mode or timeline. So I will take timeline. So we can just adjust how far we want that music to be added. So now again add plus mark means it will ask. There are some musics already given here. If you want you can select from here, or add music means it will take you to your device from where you can choose sound picker and go there and then you can add. Okay, I am selecting from here only. So again it is asking the length, add music if you want, or you want to remove the original sound. There is one more option also. Okay, see here again timeline, it is asking how much time you want, only for small part of the video or the whole video, that again you have to select. Okay, so till here I just selected to show. Okay, so when you play this, it comes See, you can see background music is coming with this. Okay, so this is how you can do the editing. Then after doing all the editing part, just go back here, tap, and again go back one more time and say back. So here in my drafts it will be saved. If you want to export this and save to your device, then you have to tap on this, so it starts exporting. Okay, so this is how you can export and share it wherever you want. I just want to cancel because I don't want to do this exporting. Okay, okay friends, so this is the basic and very easiest app to use for editing. And when you are okay with this and when you are thorough with this, you can go for more difficult and more advanced apps for editing. This is a very basic and very simple to use. And as it shows, options are little not very wide options for editing, but still it's very good for beginners. Okay friends, thank you for watching. Namaste.